Hello viewers, you're welcome to our channel again. Today's question is on exponential equation and we want to figure out the value of y. Okay, if this is your first time of seeing me on this space, I want you to sit back and enjoy. If you find value at the end of the day, please consider subscribing. To our subscribers, we love you. So with that being said, let us dive into this question right now. So viewers, I want to get the value of y. From this equation, I will say 7y plus 7 minus y is equal to 2. Now recall one of the laws of indices that says if I have a to the power, if I have a to the power minus n, it's going to become 1 upon a to the power n. So this guy is going to become 7y plus 1 upon 7 to the power y equal to 2. So I will say let 7y be equal to, let's say, k. Okay, if that is true, so whenever I say 7y, I will make it to be k. So I have k plus 1 upon k is equal to 2. And of course, take this guy to this side. Let's take off these guys. So right now we have k plus 1 upon k is equal to 2. At this point, we want to multiply both sides by k to get rid of this fraction, this denominator. So you multiply here by k and you multiply here by k. So you have k times k will give me k squared. Then k cancel out this guy, so you have 1 equal to 2k. You want to take this guy to this side of this equation, so you have k squared minus 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. Now at this point, you're looking for two numbers such that when you multiply them, you get 1. And when you add them, you get minus 2. Of course, these two numbers are just minus 1 and minus 1. Minus 1 plus minus 1 will give me 1. And minus 1 plus minus 1 will give me 2. So this whole equation is going to be factored out as k minus 1 and k minus 1, all equal to 0. So these two factors, I will equate them to 0. So I have k minus 1 equal to 0. And I have k minus 1 equal to 0. Of course, here k is equal to 1 for the first value of k, and k is also equal to 1 for the second value of k. But remember, we made an initial statement that let 7y be equal to k. So I'm going to recall this statement. Recall that 7y is equal to k. So remember, we have two values of k. So this guy is going to become 7y equal to 1 for the first value of k, and of course we have 7y equal to 1 for the second value of k. So you know, I can write 1 in index form of 7. You know, 1 is also the same as 7 to the power 0. I'm doing this strategically because I want the base to cancel out. So instead of this guy becomes 7 to the power y is equal to 7 to the power 0, and of course the 7 will cancel out, so y is equal to 0. That's the first value of y. And for this guy, the same answer is still the same, so we have y is equal to 0. Okay, so the value of y for this solution to be true. Oh, we still have something to do. Remember, we said find 8 to the power y. So therefore, remember, we are asked to find 8 to the power y, okay? I've almost forgotten that we are asked to find 8 to the power y. Now we've gotten the value of y to be 0, and these two guys could just be same answer. So you just plug in the value of y here. Y now is equal to 0, so this guy becomes 8 to the power 0, which is equal to 1. So the value of 8 to the power y from the given equation is just 1. Okay, I hope this video is clear and easy to understand. If it is, please let me know on the comment section below, and if you find value on this video, please make sure you try and subscribe. We love you, and there's nothing you can do about it. Bye.